In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is available on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone, and you can even use it in a web browser. To keep things simple, we'll focus on one of the easiest methods, getting it from the Microsoft Store on a Windows PC. Start by opening the Microsoft Store. You'll find it on your taskbar or by pressing the Start button and typing Microsoft Store. If you're prompted to sign into the store, use your Microsoft account so your apps are saved to your library. A quick tip before you begin. Make sure you're connected to the internet and your Windows is up to date, as that can speed up downloads and avoid hiccups. Once the store is open, use the search bar at the top and type Microsoft Copilot. In the results, look for the official app from Microsoft Corporation. This helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you get the authentic experience with the latest features and security. The listing should clearly show Microsoft as the publisher. Next, click Get or Install. Both options will begin adding the app to your device. You might see Get the first time and Install if it's already been added to your library. The store will handle the download and setup automatically. If you're asked to allow permissions or confirm your account, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your connection, this may take a minute or two. When the installation finishes, open the Copilot app. Sign in with your Microsoft account to personalize your experience and sync your history across devices where you're signed in. If you use a work or school account, you may have organization-specific settings. Just follow any prompts you see. After signing in, you're ready to start asking questions, generating content, or getting help with tasks right away. It's also worth noting that some Windows 11 PCs include Copilot by default. If yours does, you may already see Copilot available from the taskbar or the Start menu, so you can begin using it immediately without installing anything. Prefer not to install an app at all? You can use Copilot directly in your browser by visiting copilot.microsoft.com. There's no installation required, and you can sign in with the same Microsoft account for a consistent experience across devices. That's it. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Copilot, click Get or Install, then open the app and sign in. Or head to copilotmicrosoft.com for the web version. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring what Copilot can do.